In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a circle timeline in Tableau. First, let's get started by opening up the Tableau public app on your computer. If you don't have it yet, you can easily download it from Tableau's website. Once you have it open, access your worksheet where you're going to build this visualization. Now within your worksheet, drag the order date field over to the column shelf. When you do this, you'll need to change the date level to month to ensure we're visualizing our data correctly. Visualize it month by month so it's easier to track over time. Next, turn your attention to the rows shelf. Here, we're going to perform a little trick. Double-click and type AVG0 to add a new calculation. This creates a baseline for our circles to float along. It might seem a bit odd, but it's a great method to line up your points along a single line visually. After that, drag the sales field to the size section. This is where you start to see the magic happen. By doing this, you'll be able to dynamically resize your circles based on the sales data. Larger circles will represent higher sales and smaller ones lower sales. Following this, change the chart type from automatic to circle. This is a crucial step because it transforms our data points into a series of circles, essentially what we're aiming for with the circle timeline. Once your circles appear on the timeline, right-click on the AVG0 axis and deselect Show Header. This simple action cleans up the visualization, giving it a tidier appearance by hiding unnecessary labels on the axis. Moreover, click on the drop-down menu there and make sure to deselect Include in Tooltip for extra neatness. To enhance the visual impact, you can increase the size of the circles and change their color, depending on your preferences or the theme of your project. You might want to add profit to the color section, adding a layer of depth by coloring the circles based on profitability. For further customization, consider adding category to your timeline. This could provide additional insights and distinctions within your visual and help your data tell a richer story. Lastly, right-click on the sheet to format the zero line. This line is key to keeping our visualization aligned. Go to Format Line and locate the zero line settings. Here, you can adjust the line to be larger, continuous, and change its color to make it stand out more or blend in, depending on your design needs. And that's it. You've now created a dynamic and visually appealing circle timeline in Tableau. This type of chart can help you communicate trends and changes in your data over time effectively. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.